I'm Dasha Stokoz, I'm Arts Manager at the British Council. For those who don't know, it's an international organization that operates in the field of cultural relations. We support young leaders, community members and artists by providing to them excellent opportunities for capacity building, for ideas exchange and different types of collaborative work. We have offices in more than 100 countries and local arts team. They are supported by advisors who are based in the UK and have great expertise in specific art forms. The British Council has its own International Artist Development Fund, so if you are an artist and you would like to initiate some collaborative work in Europe or America, you can just apply for it. We have residencies for musicians, and I remember a number of artists who traveled to India or China, who explored local music scene and culture, and who worked with local musicians, and some beautiful material was produced in the result of this project. We support international delegates to attend professional events in the UK, and I think that the Great Escape Festival is a good example. Here bookers and promoters can get access to the networking events, to conferences and music gigs, and they can pick and sign any artist. In Ukraine, our music program comprises of three main components. It's the Selector radio show, which showcases the best new UK music. It's produced by the London-based studio called Folded Wing and broadcasted in more than 40 countries worldwide. Selector Live was introduced basically to support the Selector radio show. At some point we understood that we reached certain audience, and we were looking for ways how to strengthen the visibility of the project and how to increase the number of listeners. That's how the Selector Live appeared, and after a few years of intense concert life, we decided to move forward, and in June 2017 we presented the Selector Pro. It's a platform where music professionals from Ukraine and Britain could meet and discuss current trends and issues that exist in the music industry. Also, here they could share their ideas, learn new things and find connections for sure. We support artists by giving them grants, and recently we introduced a new EU-funded program called Culture Bridges. So if you're an artist or you work in music industry, and if you want to attend some training sessions or conferences, to take part in a professional conference or to go for a study visit, you can apply for grants to cover expenses that are related to a trip, and also we can cover registration fees if there are any. And you can find more information about this program in different categories of these grants on the British Council webpage. I believe that change is possible only when you work together with your partners and colleagues, even if you consider them as competitors. And you need to define and then to fight for the common agenda together.
Hello, Kiev. It's very nice to say that. Hello, Kiev. I'm here in Kiev for the first time in my life. And you guys are here with me. Thank you so much for coming out.
So I think that the lack of communication is really a problem in the music sector, and we got separate individuals within it. And maybe, yeah, my recommendation is chat more and also discuss what are the rights, what are, you know, conditions they need to take into consideration when, like, signing the contracts, or, you know, or when they are signed by labels. So yeah.